Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Photoshop tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you now how to switch from normal default workspace into photography workspace for photo editing for every photographer to edit your photo perfectly in Photoshop. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do right here, by default, every Photoshop comes in the default essential settings. However, there are different workspace for different work. And as a result of that, I'm going to give you how best to switch to photography editing space in order to edit your photo perfectly instead of using general default workspace in Photoshop. So for that, go ahead and come to the top right here, click on window, and then go to workspace. Then you have different workspace right here. What we want to look at right here is photography workspace. Switch to photography, just like so. Now, when you switch to photography workspace, you find out that the workspace and details are entirely different from normal essential default. So you have your layer right here, and then you have your channels right here, you have your path right here, and then you have histogram, and you have navigation pin right there, which allow you to zoom in and zoom out your workspace from the point right here. You have different adjustment library and then library section right here, where you can easily download assets from Google from Adobe Stock right here. So it's that simple. Once you are done with whatever you want to edit as far as your photo, this is good for photo editing workspace. Once you are done, you have to make sure you come back to window right here. You can easily go back to your workspace and switch back to essential default. This will give you normal default workspace and workflow in your Adobe Photoshop. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks like this about Photoshop, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.